Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason, and in this video we will be looking at how much does it cost to start an e-commerce website. We will be comparing the top 4 e-commerce platforms: Shopify, Ecwid, Wix, and Squarespace. First off, if you are looking for a platform to get started for completely free and you are on a low budget, I would definitely recommend Ecwid over the other three, because with Ecwid they have a free forever plan that all you'll need to get started is your email address. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. The only pullback when it comes onto this plan is you'll only be able to list 5 products, but this is a good testing ground, so you can list your first 5 products and you can test it and see if you get any sales, and you don't have to worry about any hidden transaction fees. As you can see right here on the free plan, there is no transaction fees, no monthly price fees, no anything like that, no hidden fees, and you will get majority of the regular features that you would receive on other e-commerce platforms. And also, if you're looking for a platform and you're on a slightly higher budget, I would definitely recommend Shopify. With Shopify, you'll be provided with a 3-day trial period. So in these 3 days, you could use it to set up your Shopify store. Then after the 3 days, you can pay $1 per month for the next 3 months. Some standout features when it comes on to Shopify and why it is rated as the best e-commerce platform is, with Shopify, there are numerous tutorials online. So for example, if you have any special customization that you would like to add, you can simply do a Google search and you are going to find numerous tutorials that you can quickly follow to change up your website to your liking and optimize it so that you can maximize your conversion and make as much money as possible, hopefully. And also with Shopify, they provide you with numerous apps that you can use again for completely free to make your Shopify store act and move like a professional made it, even if you're a complete beginner on making websites. Now let's look on Wix. With Wix, I really like Wix, but when it comes on to e-commerce, I don't think that Wix is the best for a beginner. While it does provide you with a lot of features and it also provides you with a lot of apps and templates. So the templates are basically some themes that you can quickly edit so you can quickly personalize them. If you go onto my other videos, I'm sure you'll see a lot of Wix videos, and by clicking on it you can watch it and you'll see what I mean when I say their platform is easy to customize. But when you compare it to Shopify, Shopify is yards ahead of Wix when it comes onto e-commerce. But you can see that their e-commerce price starts off at $17 per month and it goes up to $35 per month. But with Shopify, as you can see right here, with Shopify, you'll be able to get started for $1, but their basic plan is for $25 after the first 3 months, but it is definitely worth it. But if you have created an e-commerce store before, or if you have created a website before, you can go onto the Wix platform. Once you have some form of experience creating websites, I can recommend you to Wix. But if you are a complete beginner and you're looking for an easy drag and drop platform, I would recommend Shopify. If you have a low budget, which is $0, and you're just looking to test out some products on social media, I would recommend that you go onto Ecwid. And last but definitely not least is Squarespace. And with Squarespace, you will be provided with a 14-day free trial period with any one of these plans that you choose. And you can see that it kicks off at $27 per month for the e-commerce basic, and for their advanced plan, it is $49 per month. With Squarespace, you're also provided with numerous tools that will allow you to customize your store to your liking. With Squarespace also, it is beginner friendly, but I don't know why it tends not to be as easy to edit or customize as Shopify, but they do provide you with a lot of features and I do recommend them. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful with the price comparisons of Shopify, Ecwid, Wix, and Squarespace. And again, a quick rundown: if you're on a low budget, $0, you can get started on Equin and you can test out your first 5 products and you can start making some money. And then from there, you can go onto their paid plan or you can switch platforms. If you want to start a large business and you want to start a large drop shipping, so let's say for example you test out a product on Equin and you're getting a lot of sales and you want to upgrade and go onto a better platform that you can upgrade your store and do more customizing, you could go onto Shopify. So basically you can use Equin as a stepping stone, and this is no disrespect to Equid as it is a very good plan, but when it comes onto Shopify and e-commerce, it is definitely the best. So you could go onto Shopify after that. If you have experience creating a website, I would recommend that you give Wix a try also, and it is the same when it comes on to Squarespace. I hope this tutorial was helpful in making your decision on which one of these platforms to use, and thank you for watching.